Ever wondered how your snacking habits could be influencing your weight? Welcome to the update, where today we're uncovering the secrets to healthy snacking options for weight management. In the first segment, we delve into the role of snacking in weight management. Snacking can be a double-edged sword, but when done right, it can be a game changer for your health journey. Next, we explore the art of selecting balanced and nutrient-packed snacks. It's not just about choosing low-calorie options, but about finding snacks that offer a healthy balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. The third part of our exploration takes us to the world of portion control. Overindulging, even in healthy snacks, can derail your weight management efforts. Discover strategies to enjoy your snacks without going overboard. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation, it's for snacking too. In the fourth segment, we focus on how to incorporate mindfulness into your snacking habits. It's all about savoring each bite and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Even when life gets busy, snacking on the go doesn't have to compromise your health goals. In the fifth segment, we share some fantastic on-the-go snack options that fit into your busy schedule. Lastly, we wrap up with some healthy snacking hacks. These tips and tricks will make your weight management journey easier, more enjoyable, and yes, even more delicious. And that's a wrap on healthy snacking options for weight management. Remember, snacking isn't the enemy, but a potential ally in achieving your health and weight goals. Stay tuned to The Update for more insights into financial well-being and healthier living. Here's to snacking smart and staying on track. Until next time.